Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH Secretary Manny Bonoan has clarified his earlier remark about the lack of National Flood Control Master Plan. Bonoan admitted in a Senate hearing about the absence of a National Flood Control Master Plan. In an interview with 1PH sa Totoo Lang, Bonoan said they cannot simply integrate all of the master plans in each river basin. He said these master plans have to be constantly updated to respond to climate change. Bonoan added the need to do more dredging of rivers as part of the country's flood response.
Mababaw na yung mga river beds natin. Mukhang hindi nagpursige ng mag-dredging o mag-desil at baba ng erosion galing sa mga bundok. Think, habang nagpapagawa kami ng mga projects, yung mga river walls, embankment, yung mga ganon, kailangan din, sabayan din natin ng pag-desil o pag-dredge doon sa ilog para may daluyan na mabuti ng tubig baha.
Inamin nila para ang nangyayari is patsi-patsi na lang ng ginagawa eh.
Nagiging retroactive lang actually.
Pero I don't agree na mahirap gumawa ng master plan. It's because naman may mga models already galing from mga world climate agencies telling you ano yung possible effects within the 10-year period of the climate change.
Yes.
So with that, you can make, I'm not saying predict, but you can make an assessment, ito ang possible increase in rain, wind, and frequency next year. Ito ang gagawin natin ngayon na plan based on that. If something happens, may provision for additional plans.
Feeling ko kasi ang hirap dito sa dami ng mga agencies na supposedly in this project o ditong plan na to, flood control project na to. Hindi sila synchronized when it comes to implementing or doing yung job na to. Tapos, of course, diba, naalala natin, sinasabi ng mga senador na bakit ganito. Even Senator Amy Marcos has said, sabi niya, 1.4 billion a day ang budget ng DPWH for the flood control project, pero asan na. So, ang sinasabi naman dito ni Secretary Bonoan, andun nga sa interview sa 1PH, sinabi niya na meron daw, lawmakers are not approving the budget for repair and update of yung mga dredging machines. So parang sinisisi naman niya ngayon sa mga lawmakers na may mga nakalagay daw yun sa allocation ng item nila na for riverbed desilting and dredging noong 2023-2024. Pero hindi daw yun na-approve.
Tsaka nagtuturoan daw ang nagiging problema, especially sa where do you call it, Metro Manila NCR, is that nagtuturoan yung mga LGU. One LGU will say daw, ginawa ko na yung role ko by dredging this part. Itong city naman, pagdating sa kanila, hindi nakadredge.
Pag Metro Manila, kasi yan MMDA.
This is where you now take a look at yung government structure.
Should we now, diba?
Kasi you have major cities inside Metro Manila, and yet, may sarili-sarili silang power as individual independent LGUs. Ngayon, yung ibang provinces natin, like regions, meron kang, like mga provinces, may governor, may mga mayor. So, kung nagkaroon ng problem between LGUs, usually the governor is there para i-break yung bypass. So, should we now rethink yung structure ng MNDA na magkaroon ulit tayo ng governor for Metro Manila?
Floods?
No, because Metro Manila is a combination of cities, di ba? So, should we rethink something like that? Di ba? I don't know. Pero sana naman magkatugma sila because Metro Manila falls under usually one basin lang to eh. If you fix one LGU to the other, dapat, kasi Marikina is stuck to Quezon City sa border. If Marikina dredges all they can and Quezon City doesn't improve their gateways, yung mga trash nila,
it's
useless
a chain
din.
reaction.
Chain reaction.
It's a chain reaction. Kaya kayo naman, di ba yung pinag-uusapan yung sa master plan sabi daw nila, in each river basin. Hindi naman dapat tawagin na master plan yun. Kasi pag sinabing master plan, isang malaking plan yun. And under that, those
Huwag na kayo mag-away-away. It's because at the end of the day, pag may baha pumasok sa bahay nyo, hindi pipiliin ng basura, kayo ng bahay papasokan.
Sabi nila, ano na
tayo.
nangyari at the end of the day, nasaan yung flood control project, yung plano na yan? Kayo naman, pinlano na nga, gusto nyo pang tuparin.
Huwag kayo spoiled, ha?
Tuloy yung mga residente natin, sila na lang ang gagawa ng paraan dito sa issue ng pagbaha.